All right, I printed a test part to make sure I could print the, was that 1/8 inch NPTs correctly. And what I'm going to do now is pressure it up to see what happens when you pressure it up. I did have to, because I did put the threads in here in the model, so the model did have threads. They're really fine, so they didn't come out that good. But then I also ran a tap down in there just to chase it, and I think I had my initial diameter a little bit small, so it's making it a little bit hard for the threads to get in there. But let's go see what happens when you put pressure on this thing. All right, there it is. Oh, that's holding pressure. That's over 100 psi, I'd say. All right, I don't feel safe anymore. Yes. Yeah. It's almost my body weight. Whew. Working the abs. I'm afraid. First, should let all the air out. Yeah. All right. Well, seems to work. I'm not sure if it was leaking out or not. Next thing I might do is do an acetone smoothing on it, and just to, if there are any porosity or anything like that, the acetone will just wick it, the ABS, to smooth it all out and get rid of any of that porosity. So it might be the next thing I do.